So here we are on a lovely sunny day in Brighton, just off the end of Brighton Pier, as you can see. Very hazy day today. Very nice day for the jet skiers. Very flat sea. It's not often you see a sea as flat as this. There we are, look at that. Not really sailing weather. And there you can see, just about see Brighton Marina. Boat's just steering itself at the moment. Got the engine on at 1000 revs. We're doing about 4 knots. Yeah, just out for a little pootle about on a Saturday morning or Saturday lunchtime. Let's have a little walk around the boat. Without falling over. See, we are moving. There you can see Brighton Marina in the background. What a lovely day. Shall we have a little look inside as well? Nice big cabin, sleeping cabin forward. Lovely big living space. Back up into the wheelhouse. On the aft cabin, currently the cloakroom slash storage room. There's 2 berths in there, 2 decent sized single berths in there. Let's see what we're doing. Engine on 1000 and speed 4 knots. Look at that, wonderful.